Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this simple and quick cherry blossom tree painting with alcohol ink and acrylic paint. And I am reviewing in the Nara paper in this video. They have sent me free supplies, so I just want to show you how we can make this painting on Nara paper. This is 100% stain free, waterproof and tear proof, and it's very smooth and very nice for alcohol ink paintings. And first of all, we are drawing the branch using acrylic paints, burnt sienna and black. Just doing a basic structure of the tree first, and then we will apply alcohol ink later. Once the basic layer of the tree is dry, then we apply alcohol inks, pink and coral Those two colors I'll be using. And the thing that you see on in the white bottle is the isopropyl alcohol, 91%. I put it in a small bottle. So basically we just apply dots of a coral and pink color, and you can do however you like, just apply randomly. And the advantage I see about using Nara paper is that when you add alcohol ink and the isopropyl alcohol, the paint and the alcohol spreads so smoothly that you get a fine finish to the painting. And another specialty is 100% stain free, which I will demonstrate after the end of this painting. So please stick around till the end. So basically, I love using Nara papers for alcohol ink paintings. And I just want to let you know that I have a coupon code LATA20, that if you use that and place an order on Nara website, you get 20% additional materials for free. So just wanted to let you know. And I just want to let you know that I have a coupon code LATA20 that if you use that and place an order on Nara website, you get 20% additional materials for free. So just wanted to let you know. Here I wanted to show you the speciality of Nara paper. They say it is 100% stain free, so I'm just checking it out. So I added a drop of teal color to a Nara paper, and let's see if I can wipe it out with isopropyl alcohol. So you add isopropyl alcohol. I used 91%. You can use even more percentage. So basically add that and just wipe out with a tissue paper. So like you can see the stain will be 100% gone. You may have to repeat it with more layers of isopropyl alcohol and keep repeating the steps of wiping out until the stain is fully gone. So now I will also demonstrate on how to use this on old stains, dried up stains. So when you have the dried up stains, you can just repeat the same steps of adding the isopropyl alcohol and just wiping it. So basically if you made a mistake and you wanted to reuse the paper, this is the method, and it's 100% stain free. So the colors will be completely gone 100% when you follow this process.